Which luxury watch is actually worth your money? It's a simple question, but the answer isn't as straightforward as it seems. Today, we're uncovering 5 stunning options that leave Rolex in the dust. Product number 1, BUREI Luxury Watch. First up is the BUREI Luxury Stainless Steel Analog Quartz Watch. Priced at just $99.99, this watch caught my attention with its classic gold case and sapphire crystal dial. If you want a stylish accessory that won't break the bank, this is worth a serious look. Now here's why this watch might be just what you need. Plus, it's water-resistant up to 50 meters, making it perfect for daily life, just not swimming. The quartz movement ensures you'll have accurate timekeeping, which is essential for those busy days. With a solid 4.5-star rating from over 543 reviews, it's a crowd favorite. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You get a luxury look without the luxury price tag, ideal for any occasion. Here's the thing though, unless you plan on diving, it's perfectly fine for business meetings or casual outings. It's a fantastic choice for those who want style without the hefty price. This is perfect for you if you want a chic watch that complements your outfit without spending a fortune. Skip this one if you're looking for a diving watch or something meant for deep water adventures. For around $100, it provides great value for your money. Now, if the price of the BUREI watch was appealing, but you want something with a bit more flair, the next one might just catch your eye. Product number 2, OLEVS Big Face Watch. Next, we have the OLEVS watches for men, featuring a big face design and priced at $43.77. This watch grabbed my attention with its bold, luminous hands and the striking blue dial. If you want something that stands out without being too flashy, this is a solid option. Here's why this watch could solve your problem. With a water resistance of up to 100 feet, it's ready for those unexpected rain showers, although swimming is a no-go. Its Japanese quartz movement ensures you get reliable timekeeping, and the luminous feature means you won't be left in the dark, literally. We're talking about 2,400 reviews and a 4.2-star rating, which speaks volumes. Here's why this matters. You can wear it confidently on both casual outings and more formal events. Now, some reviewers pointed out that the watch might feel a bit bulky for smaller wrists. But honestly, if you like a watch that makes a statement, this slight bulk might actually work in your favor. It's a fantastic option for someone who wants style without spending a fortune. This is perfect for you if you love a bold look that turns heads. Skip this if you prefer something more understated. For under $50, it's a steal for the quality you get. Alright, that was a solid choice. But if you're looking for something a bit more refined, let's move on to the next option. Product number 3, FANMIS Luminous Watch. The third watch on our list is the FANMIS Luxury Watch, priced at $39.98. I was impressed by its rotatable bezel and luminous hands. If you're after a watch that combines functionality with elegance, this is definitely worth considering. This watch shines in everyday situations. The luminous hands are not just for show, they really help in low-light settings, making it practical for evening outings. It also features a unidirectional dive bezel, perfect for timing events. Plus, it's water-resistant up to 30 meters, which means it can handle a little splashing around. With 1,300 reviews and a solid 4.4-star rating, this watch has a decent following. Here's why it matters. You're getting a stylish watch that won't hold you back from enjoying outdoor activities. Now, some users mentioned that the clasp could be a bit tricky to open. But here's the thing, once you get the hang of it, it's really not a deal-breaker. It's a smart choice for anyone looking for a durable yet stylish timepiece. This is perfect for you if you enjoy outdoor activities but still want to look good. Skip this if you need something that's deeply water-resistant for swimming. With its price point, it delivers excellent value. Now, if you're looking for a watch that really makes an impression, the next one up is something special. Product number 4, FANMIS Two-Tone Watch. Next, we have another great option from FANMIS, the Two-Tone Luxury Watch, also at $39.98. This one caught my eye with its stylish gold tone accents and elegant design. If you're looking for a timepiece that balances luxury and affordability, keep listening. This watch has similar features to the previous one, including a rotatable bezel and luminous hands. The design is sleek and sophisticated, perfect for both casual and formal attire. With 2,200 reviews and a 4.4-star rating, it's clear that many users appreciate its look and feel. Here's why this matters. You're getting a watch that can serve as both a daily wear and a statement piece. Now, some buyers did note that it's not suitable for diving. But honestly, for most people, this isn't an issue unless you're a serious diver. It stands out as a stylish choice for those who appreciate a little flair in their accessories. This is perfect for you if you want a watch that can elevate your outfit without a hefty price tag. Skip this if you're a diver looking for something more specialized. For its price, it's hard to beat this kind of style. Now, if you're ready to invest a bit more for something that's renowned, let's look at our last luxury option. Product number 5, Rolex Submariner Hulk. Finally, we have the iconic Rolex Submariner Hulk model, priced at a staggering $23,950. With its stunning green dial and solid construction, this watch is a true luxury piece. If you want a high-status timepiece that makes a statement, this one's a contender. The Rolex Submariner is famous for its automatic movement and 40mm case diameter, ensuring precision and durability. The luxurious oyster steel case is designed to withstand the test of time. However, it's important to note that this iconic piece is water-resistant, but really meant for a lifestyle of luxury rather than serious diving. With a perfect 5-star rating from one review, it's clear this is a watch for those who understand quality. Here's why this matters for you. Owning a Rolex is about prestige and craftsmanship. Now, some might say the price is too high. I'll be real with you, it is. But if you're looking for something that represents luxury and status, this is a sought-after piece that holds its value. This is perfect for you if you want a watch that screams luxury and status. Skip it if you're on a budget or looking for something more functional for everyday wear. If you can afford it, this watch is an investment in a timeless piece. So there you have it. From the stylish BUREI to the luxe Rolex, each watch brings something unique to the table. To wrap it up, we've explored 5 luxury watches that offer unique styles and functionalities. From the affordable BUREI and OLEVS to the sophisticated Rolex Submariner, there's something for everyone looking to step up their watch game. No matter your budget, you've got options that can leave Rolex in the dust.